Hi, I'm David Cantor with the Law Offices of David Michael Cantor, and today I'm going to talk about felony statute of limitations. Now, we get asked this a lot. What is the statute of limitations where I can be charged with a crime? Technically, it's 7 years from the date of violation on almost all felonies, unless it's certain crimes. Capital murder, sex crimes against children, sex assault or rape. That's lifetime eligible. That means they can find out about it 30 years later and charge you. Many times in murder cases, they call these cold cases that come back to life. There is another element to this. Not just the date of violation, but 7 years from when the government became aware of the crime. So a lot of times there'll be people that held off on reporting a certain type of crime, and then they report it, let's say, a year later, 6 months later. That's when the 7 years begins to run. If you do get charged several years after the date of violation and they send a summons to your last known address and you've moved, the problem is they will not forward the summons to your next address. They simply send it back and the government puts out a warrant for your arrest. So many times people will be driving along and they get pulled over and they get arrested and they find out it's from a charge that happened years ago, maybe a possession of marijuana from college, something simple like that. And they're always confused, like, wait a second, this happened so long ago, how can this come up now? Well, technically, you may have been charged a couple years after the date of violation, but not actually picked up in custody until after the 7 years have run. If these situations apply to you, a family member, or a loved one, simply contact our office for a free initial consultation. You can either do that by calling us or by going to our website, dmcantor.com, and filling out a contact form, and we'll get with you and we'll get you in right away.